I think it's 5, whatever. Here we are. The ice fishing winter extravaganza here at XL Center. So there's a bunch over here too as well. So away we go. We got America Surplus Manufacturer IceCastleParts.com. You can make an ice castle. So there's all kinds of stuff over here. More stuff. You can tell. So let's go over here. We're gonna eat some. We got food. When I was here for the motorcycle one, there was all kinds. Oh my God, there's all kinds of stuff over here. Oh. You've got your own tons of jigs. So you can make all kinds of jigs with that stuff. You can make your own. Very nice. You name it, they have it. It's a nice hat right there.
That's how it works when you have unlimited money, then you can.
We got, oh my God, more clothing back in here. Jesus. Eskimos, you guys saw those last time. Those are nice. Warm as hell. 2XL, my size. But I have to buy it. Didn't see how much it is. Oh, Eskimo, $169. The bibs are $169 too as well. Oh my goodness, those are nice. We got all kinds of stuff here. We got more jackets over there. It goes on for 3 days. It goes on until tomorrow. You got gloves galore. These are nice. Choppers, as they say. Yeah, that's nice. I like that one. That reminds me of my spec jacket. Very, very simple. Soft, you know, $60. Not bad at all. It's a nice little jacket. Not bad for $60. That's a pretty good deal. Just like this jacket.
Oh yeah.
It's a real good deal.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Yeah,
too.
absolutely. But I just like this. It doesn't have too much stuff on it. Just it's nice. I like it. Yeah, it's clean. Those things, those Eskimo jackets are like, oh my goodness, those are beautiful. As you can kind of see, you guys, bunches. More jackets. Oh my goodness. Oh, nice. $225. I don't need, you've seen enough clothing already. These are electrical ones. That's a nice, very nice. Lots of people down there. You see it happen. You can tell. People are spending money. Good place to bring a child and get them used to going outside. Kind of like my Cowboys thing. So, it's a nice. It was really nice. That's a pretty cool one up there. You name it, whatever clothing you want, they have it. FXR. Well, kind of like that one jacket I saw. This is a cool little jacket. One I like because it had the like I have right here. I like this when you have this. Yeah, I'm glad I brought an extra battery. It's a nice one too as well. It's very, very nice. I like this one. Very nice. $209. That blue one. It's hard to kind of pick a jacket. $209. Jacket and bibs. Oh my goodness. That's pretty cool. Simple jacket down there. It's nice. Yeah, if you were in the mood for a jacket right now, be nice. That's a nice one too as well. Warm as hell. $199 close out. Regular $329. Hoodies $40. You got the Razor, this bad boy. Ultimate ice auger, man.
Yeah, I was with him.
Look at this bad boy.
You said it, I said I did, but
Oh my. That's one hell of a nice vehicle, huh? Take that out in the lake? Take that out in the lake or in the field or what?
Oh, we've had it out in the lake, but
Nice. Oh my goodness. Look at that sucker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Nice.
just a reminder, at 3 o'clock, we will be drawing a winner at the Bexlar booth. We're giving away an Apple X38.
There's this bad boy.
Camera and cable.
Okay, we will.
3 o'clock, we're drawing a ticket at the Bexlar
That
booth.
sucker.
Thank you.
We have some more. You guys have seen these before. Look at these Nordak. Let's see what these look like. There's a family in there. It's kind of nice. You get upstairs. It's kind of nice. Good ice fishing. Very nice. Music was playing in there. Had to get out of there. Bob Seger, Hollywood Nights. Good song. We get over here. Kind of the man cave here, huh?
A little bit.
Yeah, nice. I was looking at the other ones on the other side. I mean, I was telling somebody, the salesman, these look better than RVs.
Appreciate it.
Oh, absolutely, man. I've been at the RV show, cheap as hell.
Right.
No, you can use these for RVing too, right? If you want to, or not?
Correct.
So yeah,
Certain ones, this specific one's not an RV model. The toy hauler
Right.
one is.
that's what I thought. It's just nice.
Yeah.
I like the wood,
Yeah, it's real wood, not that
cheap crap. I could,
particle board.
yeah. Some of those RVs, I was at that RV show last year and just cheap crap. And I go on YouTube a lot of these people that just buy these huge. If I'm going to buy something like this, I'm going to first make sure it's okay. I'm going to have someone come in, do the old
Absolutely.
before you buy it, especially an RV. Have someone look at it.
Yep.
So this one is 46,000. So this one is kind of another big one. This one is worth. Oh, that's kind of nice. Sunglasses. I'm going to get into some more over here. Ice caves, they call these things. These bad boys. Well, what do you think, huh? Not too bad, huh? Interesting. We're ice fishing in here. Nice. pretty big bathroom too. It's not bad. You got your, and they can come down here too as well. His bed comes down. You're okay. This comes down. 31,000. The hell, huh? Nice. They're in the Cherokee one. It's sold. It's sold already. Damn it! Can't buy it. RV, Nelson RV. You're in Shakopee. Nice. They call them ice caves. Very nice. We dare you to beat our deals. Huh? This one's kind of a nice one. What do you think, huh?
Hey,
Nice.
it's large.
Yeah,
well,
it is
it's
large.
they're built in a lot of RVs. Trust me.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not a bad price. 25.
No, not bad at all. 25 grand. It's nice. Nice. 25,000. It's not bad. But anyways, battery's getting a little low. What we're gonna do is we're gonna keep on going, but we'll do one more here for you, probably.